How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to go to Instagram DMs. Here you want to tap on the pencil shaped icon in the top right corner of your screen. From here you want to select create broadcast channel option. Remember that to create a broadcast channel, you need to have an Instagram creator account. Personal and business account cannot create broadcast channel. Now you want to name your channel, then choose an audience. Now choose when your channel ends, then choose to show your channel on your profile. After that, tap create in the top right corner of your screen. You can also share your new broadcast channel by sending a one-time invite to your followers, sharing a link, posting in a story, and creating a QR code. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.